One of the math activities for this week is called Let's Move. The instructions are on page 9 of your packet if you want to follow along. For this activity, you are going to solve the math problem from your grade level on page 9 using any tools, models, or strategies you would like. For kindergarten, there is an addition problem using dice. For first grade, the problem is 15 minus 10. And for second grade, the problem is 247 minus 242. Once you have solved the problem, use balance points, which are parts of the body that you can touch to the ground, such as your hands and feet, to show the answer to the problem. So if I were solving 2 plus 1, which equals 3, I would touch 3 of my balance points to the ground. Here's a picture as an example. There's also an example on page 9 of your packet. Get creative. You can use family members, stuffed animals, toys, anything you want. Take a picture to share with your teacher. I know they would love to see it. If you are in kindergarten or first grade, the activity for you this week is called Which One Does Not Belong? If you are in second grade, the activity for you is a mental math activity. The instructions for both of these activities are on page 11 of your packet. For the Which One Does Not Belong activity, look at the set of 4 images on either page 46 or page 84 of your packet. You can decide which one is more appropriate for your student, or you can choose to do both. Decide which one does not belong with the other 3. Describe your thinking using math words. There are many ways to think about each one. Take it to the next level by figuring out a reason why each picture might not belong, or by making your own Which One Does Not Belong puzzle to share. There are sample responses for the puzzles on page 83 and 85 of your packet. The instructions for the second grade mental math activity are on page 11 of your packet. Inside this box and up on my board behind me, there are 4 addition problems. We want you to solve each problem in your head in the order they are listed on this page. Try to solve each problem in more than one way. After you have solved all of the problems, choose your favorite strategy or way that you solved the problem and record the steps you used on the Show What You Know page. Make sure you record all the steps you used so that someone else could try your strategy. If you want, as an extension, you could write a letter to someone you know and share how you solved the problems. Then write a problem that they could try. In your packet on page 11, there is also a link for the Math Learning Center, which will be posting an activity of the day each day if you would like to try those out. For some extra help, students can have someone read the directions and story problems to them. You can also use the Microsoft Translator app, which allows you to take a picture of the text and translate it to your native language.